Hello, my beautiful hearts. It is your favorite spiritualist, the Aquarian Alchemist, and I am here for your sneak peek into the week readings. Hello, my beautiful hearts. I hope everyone had a great weekend. And let's see what the energies, what the ancestors, angels need us to know going forward into this new week. Today is August the 11th. And let's just see what's going on. Eight of Wands speaks of communication, possible travel, and the Star. Very nice. Okay. Let's see what else we have. We're always grateful and thankful to our ancestors, angels, guardians, guides, and the Holy Spirit for being with us during these readings and working, protecting, and watching over us, and giving us only the most accurate readings. Okay. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you are here because you are a loyal subscriber who has that bell notification on, then you already know I love you because you're loyal. Okay. All right, so I'm definitely getting that there's some type of quick life-changing information that you could be receiving this week. This information could be surrounding finances. It could be surrounding your job. But I have this feeling that whatever this information is concerning is going to kind of be like a confirmation for you, or, you know, something you already suspected may be revealed. Okay, this is going to give you an opportunity for growth. You may be having dreams, like you may get this information in a dream. Okay, you could get it during meditation. You could get it during a session. You know, if you book a one-on-one session, but something is about to be revealed so that you can go ahead and heal from it. Okay. I keep being drawn to this Three of Ariel. It says, do what you love, a time of great personal growth in your career or artistic endeavors, working with others in a cooperative manner. But I keep looking at how he is looking into that box. Like it's like someone is inspecting something. There could have been like hidden information, buried information, or someone could just be like doing their job and stumble upon something, which opens a whole gateway, a whole floodway of information concerning something else. It's just like it makes me think about someone like digging in a tunnel and then finding all this jewels, and or someone, just going in and cleaning out a house and finding, all kind of important paperwork and all kind of money, or just finding something that no one knew about. This could also be concerning a lover, a love interest. Whatever this is going to be big. Yeah, see, it's going to allow you a fresh start. It's going to allow you to release the past. Okay, this situation could make you very emotional as well. Like, you could just like bust out with tears. It could be, but they'll be tears of like joy and relief. You know what I mean? They're not tears of sadness and sorrow anymore. They're tears of joy and relief. Like, oh, wow, finally, great. Also, I'm getting the scenario of someone working a job, maybe getting paid to hide something or kind of bury something or cover something up. That person being fired and a new person coming in who's very thorough and who stumbles upon or who finds and unearths this information that has been buried. This could be surrounding inheritance. It could be surrounding a gift that someone's going to be receiving or has received, that they've received it, but it's not in their hand yet. Because this is like a gift. You see those gifts down there? She doesn't see them, but the angel has delivered them to her feet. You see that? She's focused on something else, but those gifts are there, and she's opening. Now she's gonna open those gifts. Well, she's trying them on actually, but yeah, this angel is delivering. The universe is delivering this gift. She still has one up here that hasn't been opened. You see it? So, this could also be like you could have gotten a portion of something, but then there was something else you were supposed to get that you didn't receive that you're about to receive now. This is going to ask you to completely release the past. It's going to allow you to fully move forward. You may feel like that you've healed from this situation. You're pretty much over it. But when you find out this information, it's going to take it to another level for you. You're going to be like, okay, all right. Now I can really, really just woosah, let it go, and move forward. Okay, let's get some advice cards surrounding this energy. You could definitely be an Aquarius. This could be surrounding an Aquarius, any type of air sign, really. This could be something that's been going on for anywhere between 1 to 7 years. This information, you're going to have to work through your fears surrounding this whole information. It's going to catch you. It's going to catch you. Yeah, a romantic cycle begins. So for someone, this whole incident, whatever this is, could kind of, it could have had a hold on you, to where you haven't fully moved on. Like I said, you could be feeling like, I'm over it, but you haven't fully moved on to the fact that now you're living your life to the best and fullest of because there's always this feeling of something's missing, something's off, something's wrong. You have this ongoing feeling of it's just unfinished business, so to speak, and this is going to close that chapter up completely and give you that new leap of faith energy. So it says it's time to release negativity and work through your fears. A new romantic cycle begins. I feel like this is going to heal your heart. This is going to heal your heart. See all this green? This is going to be a heart healing thing, right? This is going to have you the feeling of being free. You're going to be able to break free from this stagnancy, this procrastination, this hold. It's like your life has been on hold to a certain extent. You still been living. You still been moving forward. You still been doing your thing. But there's a sense of you can't fully breathe, or you can't fully, it's like this waiting to exhale vibe. Like you've been holding your breath, or you've been waiting for something to happen and it hasn't happened. And it's like, when is it going to happen? It could be happening this week for sure. I need to say this. You may be given a dream that gives you a clue that you need to act on. I'm also getting that for certain people. You may need to ask a question. You may need to talk to someone. You may need to investigate a little farther. When you get this information, you may need to take a vacation. You may need to take time off. You may need to step back, and really process this. You're being pushed, you're being encouraged to do that. to help you release the negativity, because you're going to have some very strong emotions surrounding this event. This is a Tower moment. This is going to be a Tower moment for you, but it's going to also be a Tower moment for someone else. Because just like you didn't know this situation, there's somebody who did know. There's people who did know. Yeah, a radical rebirth. Like, this is going to change your life. I feel like the challenge here is going to be releasing the past. Working through your feelings. It says work through your fears, but I keep feeling like work through your feelings. And knowing air signs, you know how air signs can be. Air signs like to kind of be more logical, and you know, they want to be logical. Yes, so surrender. Yeah. God, the angels, your ancestors, they have this. This is all orchestrated, okay? This is all orchestrated for you. Nothing's happening to you. This is happening for you. This was sideways. This was telling you, you know, something wasn't quite right. We're putting this in the upright now because it's happening. It's coming forward. You could have been in a sense of struggle financially, but you shouldn't have been. Like, you should have never been struggling to the point that you are now, or that you have been over the recent past. The past 1 to 7 years, you have struggled on and off. Like, you may have had times of increase in abundance, but it hasn't been consistent. You've had times where you actually have had to watch your money, watch what you spend, do this, do that. You might have to rob Peter to pay Paul, pay this later, make a payment arrangement. You might have been going through this kind of thing. And trying to figure out, how can I get this straightened out? You have divine intervention here. Continue to cleanse, purify. It's harvest. Harvest. That's what I'm talking about. Your harvest is here. It's been hidden. It's been held back. Now it's going to be released. You have, I just felt the chill. Oh gosh. Okay. Both of these, she has on white. You may need to dress in more white this week. Let the angels be able to see you and identify you. Get in some saltwater bath this week. Tomorrow is the last day. The 8/8 Lionsgate portal will be closing tomorrow. So tonight is a great day to do a spiritual cleanse. Okay, I do sell spiritual cleansing bath salts on my website. I also sell love attraction bath salts. You know, so tap in, okay? Get into it. I have it for you, you know. And just because the Lionsgate portal is closing doesn't mean it's too late to do a cleanse. You can still do it. You can still purchase it. But I'm just saying, if you already have products that you could use, if you just, you know, you have salt, you have a little vinegar, you have a little, you know, Palo Santo, you know, put it in some bath water, some camphor, put it in some bath water and soak and pray, you know, and then wear white. Let yourself dry and wear some white, okay? So this is so exciting. Like, for me, I'm like, whoa, you know, it's always a little unnerving when you see a Tower moment approaching. However, this is definitely and absolutely a good Tower. Looking at the cards surrounding, this is a good Tower. This is going to be a radical rebirth, a new beginning, a fresh start, and being able to release negativity, hurt feelings, baggage of the past. You're also going to be able, that's going to free your heart to where you can actually step into and entertain a romantic situation, a romantic relationship. Okay? I am so happy for you. I'm looking forward to this weekend. Comment, get down in the comments. Comment a green heart, because this is a heart healing week for the air signs and whoever could be watching this. You don't have to be an air sign, but you could be involved with an air sign, and it could be air signs involved in this situation. I thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will be back with the next reading. Wishing you an awesome week. Love you. Ciao.